What is up, PC gamers, and welcome back to PC Gaming Pulse. We're kicking off today's show with a massive update from Steam that's packed with features you've been asking for. Get ready for wider store pages, new library sorting options, and desktop accessibility controls that are set to completely transform how you interact with your games. Valve is really stepping up its game, and this update is a game changer for everyone. Next up, we're shifting gears from the digital realm to the real world to explore the fascinating evolution of public transportation technology. We'll trace the journey from the mighty steam engines that powered early cities to the cutting-edge smart transit systems that are shaping our urban landscapes today. It's a look at how innovation has always driven mobility and community growth. Then, get ready to fire up your appetites because Mage Food Truck is driving onto Steam this month. This unique roguelike Deckbuilder puts you in charge of a magical food truck, where you'll be gathering ingredients, cooking fantastical recipes, and delivering them to customers. It's a wild blend of strategy, cooking, and fantasy that promises a truly unique gaming experience. And finally, we're looking at how major industries are embracing digital transformation. Gulf Marine, a global leader in marine lubricants, is powering its massive digital upgrade with Grow with SAP. We'll break down how this partnership is revolutionizing their operations from finance to supply chain. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments what you're most excited about. Steam's latest update promises a library revolution. Get ready, Steam users, because Valve has just rolled out a massive update for both Steam Desktop and Steam Deck, and it's bringing a wave of highly requested features and crucial bug fixes that are set to enhance your gaming experience across the board. This isn't just a minor patch. Valve is clearly committed to making your digital library more manageable, accessible, and enjoyable than ever before. Among the headline features are enhanced desktop accessibility controls, giving more players greater command over their gaming environment. For those who meticulously organize their libraries, you'll be thrilled to know that you can now set custom titles for sorting your games, adding a new layer of personalization. The in-game overlay has also received further upgrades, promising a smoother and more integrated experience while you're in the thick of the action. Steam Deck users will also appreciate the new Legion Go S joystick-led controls, accessible under Settings, Customization for SteamOS. Furthermore, a long-standing annoyance in Big Picture mode and SteamOS Gaming mode, losing your navigation position when returning from app details, has finally been addressed, making library navigation significantly less frustrating. One of the most visually impactful changes is the expansion of store pages to a wider format within the Steam client for everyone. While this wider layout isn't yet available on the web browser version, it's a significant step towards a more immersive browsing experience on the desktop application. Audience reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with players flooding forums and social media with praise for the increased accessibility options and the much-needed library organization improvements. Many are calling it one of the most substantial updates in recent memory. Don't go anywhere, because the changes to Steam are just the beginning of our tech deep dive. Next, we're charting a course through the incredible history of public transportation, from steam power to smart cities. From steam engines to smart transit, the journey of mobility. Public transportation has always been the lifeblood of urban development, and the latest insights reveal a fascinating evolution from the earliest steam engines to the sophisticated smart transit systems of today. This journey is more than just technological advancement. It's a story of how innovation has shaped our communities, economies, and daily lives. In the 19th century, steam engines were the titans of transport, powering railways that connected distant towns, facilitated trade, and spurred economic expansion. The advent of rail travel redefined freedom of movement, turning rail stations into cultural hubs and fundamentally altering how businesses operated and people experienced leisure. These steam-powered networks laid the groundwork for the complex urban transit systems we see evolving today. As cities grew and the limitations of steam became apparent, electricity emerged as the cleaner, quieter successor in the late 19th century. This paved the way for the development of subways, a revolutionary solution to moving large populations efficiently through crowded urban centers, addressing the noise and pollution of steam trains. This electrification marked a pivotal moment, establishing the foundation for the modern subway networks that are crucial to global cities. The 20th century saw the rise of the automobile, which prompted a shift towards more flexible transit options like buses. While buses offered cost-effectiveness and expanded coverage beyond rail lines, the increased reliance on road-based transit also contributed to urban sprawl and congestion. Today, cities are working to balance these modes by investing in bus rapid transit and redesigning urban spaces to prioritize shared, efficient travel. The current era is defined by digital transformation. Real-time data, mobile apps, and automation are streamlining transit operations, providing riders with enhanced convenience and confidence. Integrated systems powered by modern mass transit operations platforms are enabling cities to optimize routes and schedules with unprecedented precision, making transit a truly responsive service. Looking ahead, the future of transit is deeply interconnected and sustainable, with AI, automation, and renewable energy powering seamless travel experiences through autonomous shuttles, shared mobility platforms, and electric fleets. Early deployments of electric buses are already demonstrating significant reductions in emissions and operational costs, offering valuable lessons for wider adoption. This ongoing evolution underscores a critical lesson. Bold infrastructure investments and a commitment to green technologies are essential. By prioritizing accessibility and embracing innovation, smart transit is poised to define the next era of urban life, creating healthier, more sustainable communities. From the intricate networks of urban transit, we're now zooming into the delightful chaos of a magical kitchen. Get ready for a game that's serving up strategy and fantasy, Mage Food Truck, coming soon to Steam. Mage Food Truck, a roguelike deckbuilder, serves up fantasy flavors. Prepare your taste buds and your decks, because Mage Food Truck is officially launching on Steam on September 24th, bringing a unique and utterly charming blend of cooking, delivery, and fantasy deck building. This solo roguelike adventure puts players in the driver's seat of a magical food truck, where every shift is a strategic battle for survival and success. The core gameplay unfolds over 3 distinct shifts: morning, day, and night, with escalating challenges and increasing pressure as the in-game clock ticks forward. Your primary objective is to build a powerful deck of cards that will aid you in exploring fantastical realms, gathering rare and exotic ingredients, expertly cooking magical recipes, and delivering them to eager customers for precious gold. Along the way, you'll be supported by a colorful cast of characters, including the resourceful explorer, the culinary expert chef, the mystical mage, and the charismatic bard, each bringing their own unique skills and synergies to your deck-building strategy. Each workday begins with a basic starter deck, but your options expand rapidly thanks to the Turvy Mart, where new cards can be acquired after every turn, allowing for constant strategic adaptation. Job cards are crucial for unleashing the special talents of your crew, enabling you to craft clever combos that maximize your efficiency in gathering, cooking, and delivering. At the end of each grueling shift, or whenever your food truck inevitably breaks down, your performance will be judged by your customers, who will award you a rating from 0 to 3 stars, reflecting your success. Mage Food Truck promises a truly flavorful experience, merging the addictive progression of roguelikes with the strategic depth of deck building and the whimsical chaos of a fantasy culinary adventure, all served hot and ready this September. That's right, a game serving up fantasy and strategy. But our next story is about a real-world transformation powered by cutting-edge tech. Get ready to see how Gulf Marine is steaming ahead with its digital journey using Grow with SAP. Gulf Marine powers digital transformation with Grow with SAP. Gulf Marine, a significant global player in marine lubricants serving over 1,000 ports worldwide, has embarked on a comprehensive digital transformation journey by selecting Grow with SAP. This strategic move aims to replace a fragmented system of disconnected tools with a unified, scalable digital foundation designed to dramatically enhance operational efficiency and global reach. Previously, Gulf Marine relied on a patchwork of solutions, including spreadsheets and off-the-shelf project management and business intelligence software. While these tools provided basic functionality, the company's expanding global footprint highlighted the limitations of this fragmented approach. Key challenges included the need for constant manual updates, a lack of real-time inventory visibility, disjointed planning processes across different entities, and inconsistent data, all of which hampered growth and efficiency. By implementing Grow with SAP, Gulf Marine has gained access to a standardized framework, robust tools, and expert guidance tailored to its unique needs. This has led to substantial improvements across critical business functions. The company has seen marked increases in efficiency in order fulfillment, financial reporting, inventory management, and supply chain planning. Furthermore, customer satisfaction has been boosted through more accurate order promises and consistent pricing across all channels. Joey Chua, Director of Digital and IT Transformation at Gulf Marine, emphasized the necessity of a connected and scalable foundation for managing global operations. With Grow with SAP as our digital backbone, we have laid the foundation for an agile, data-driven future built on innovation, resilience, and operational excellence, Chua stated, highlighting the transformation's impact on finance, sales, supply chain, and procurement. Since the implementation, Gulf Marine has reported impressive operational benefits. On-time delivery has improved by 30% thanks to an integrated, predictive MRP system that optimizes resource schedules and capacities. Customer satisfaction has seen an uplift of up to 15% due to reliable order-to-promise dates based on real-time inventory and consistent pricing. Finance costs have been reduced by up to 5% through streamlined, automated processes and enhanced financial visibility. Moreover, operating income has increased by 10–15% with improved profitability visibility, stemming from a single source of truth for unit costing and profitability analysis. Eileen Chua, Managing Director of SAP Singapore, noted that Grow with SAP empowers companies like Gulf Marine to continuously adapt and grow by deploying new digital capabilities and simplifying global operations through standardization. By standardizing core processes across headquarters and subsidiaries, they gain real-time visibility, automate manual tasks, and steer the business with greater speed and decision-making confidence, she added. And that brings us to the end of our news roundup. But don't go anywhere, we've got a quick recap and all the ways you can stay connected with PC Gaming Pulse. And that's a wrap on today's PC Gaming Pulse. We covered Steam's massive library update, the incredible evolution of public transportation from Steam to smart systems, the quirky deck-building fun of Mage Food Truck, and how Gulf Marine is powering its digital transformation with Grow with SAP. If you enjoyed today's show, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for all your gaming news needs, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments which story you found most interesting, and be sure to follow us on all our social media channels for more gaming content.